Hello everybody, it's Ryan KC9OZA, and today I'm going to do a quick radio setup install I did yesterday. It's not ham, but it is radio. It's CB. It's the CB that I just reviewed in a previous video, so please check that out. So here on the hood, I previously had a NMO antenna that my dual band was on, and then I moved my dual band to the roof, so I had this mount available. So I took the NMO off and put a SO239 style instead, so that this Wilson 1000 would screw on. So you have the Wilson 1000 whip here on the hood. I didn't think it turned out too bad. Pretty sturdy. So then we'll move in here to the cab. And here is the radioddity micro CB27 from my previous video. It's just mounted here on the center console, and this Udian speaker that I was using for my 400, I'm now using it with the CB because the CB speaker just isn't loud enough with the truck running, driving down the highway. So I'm using it with it. And then I put the Yaesu dual band stereo speaker that they make for the 100s and the 400s back in the truck. And I purchased another one for my bass. So I'll do a future review on it. So we still have the 400 mounted here. And then the Yaesu speaker is here in the headrest behind this seat cover, because I had it mounted down there previously and it just wasn't loud enough for me. So I mounted it here underneath the seat cover. It's out of the way. I just have the headrest up, have the mount zip tied to the headrest leg, so that way it doesn't move, it's out of sight. And then the cable just runs down the back of the seat to the 400 body, which is under the seat. So all in all, it's a nice clean little install. And then I also put a mic hanger on the other side of the radio and AC controls. And so quick little install. It works really good. Heard a lot of stations, a lot of skip going on right now. So again, if you're looking for a nice little CB for newer vehicles that don't have a lot of room, be sure to check out the radioddity CB model 27. You can get it for under $60 online. Nice little radio, nice compact, doesn't take up a lot of room. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about the install, just leave me a comment down below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. We'll say 73s, everybody.